up, you guys? It's Alessandra, and it's been a minute. I wanted to come back with like a simple video. I just received my Off-White Jordan 4 retros, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna be completely honest with you right now. When they dropped early access on Sneakers app, I had no idea. I had somebody Snapchat me, go, check sneakers, and 2 seconds later I checked out and I'm sitting there like in disbelief. I actually wanted to throw up, but I didn't until they came in because they're absolutely beautiful. But I realized that because I had my settings set to 7.5 male, that they kind of just took the male size instead of like converting it to women's for me. So I realized that I got the wrong size, but it's fine because I just sold these and then I just bought myself my size because the price is dropping anyways. So made my money, got it for cheaper. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little quick unboxing and that'll be it for today, and then I'll see you very soon because I want to do hauls. Throughout this last month I've acquired so many new clothes that it's actually nauseating. Yeah, we've done a lot of throwing up in the last month, so get excited. I have a lot of content coming your way and I'm really excited to jump back in it, and I hope everyone is doing okay. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is the box, the holy box. It's okay, it's alright, we're gonna laugh, it's funny, laugh. So we're gonna open it up and this is what the inside of the box looks like, yada yada yada. The things that comes with it are 3 different types of laces. You get the black that say quote unquote shoelaces, same thing here, but they're like a light blue kind of color. And then you just get white. And then obviously the laces that come with the shoe. So basically when you take the shoe out, it looks like this. We love the shoe. How amazing. You got this little keychain, and this is a thick keychain, like thick.
Like damn, she thick with 2 C's.
Like Jesus. So, and then you have obviously the zip tie. You got the little quote unquote, the shoelaces. Got like this like foggy clear plastic. It's a little bendy in the back. This like icy little air sign. It's so beautiful. Then it's just your average like Jordan 4. Like it just the same shape, same everything, but just like the detailing you could just tell is just very Off-White. What's it called? You have like the cage plastic, and then here if you look closely you can see all the Off-White lettering. On the inside we have, it says Air Jordan but backwards and like mirrored, so not too sure like what you would do with that. I wouldn't want to bend the tongue forward. I don't know. I'll leave that up to people who have better sense of styling these things to figure that one out. And then the only thing I don't like, there's like a little thread coming off here, but like their threads like coming off the whole thing. That's just the style. On the bottom is where the like teal plays in for the shoelaces. It's all right here, the Nike logo, and just kind of like the frosty bottom. Absolutely love it. Like I said, I wasn't able to try them on yet because these are not my size, but in about a week or so when the other shoes come in, I will definitely try them on, and you will see pictures on my Instagram because you know damn well I'm throwing an outfit together, and that outfit's gonna have to count because that's a pretty important outfit. And then when you just look inside of the box, you have your plastic that it comes in. It says the 2020. I remember when I got my Off-White red Dunks that dropped last year, and that was like my first Off-White pair that I've hit, and I was just so excited, and I've never seen the box before, so I was like, oh my god, look at this plastic. I was like freaking out over every little detail. I'm just in love. And I sold those just recently, and when these came out I knew, I was like, you know what, I really appreciate this shoe. And I really, really want it, and I think I deserve it. So obviously I didn't spend $1,000 on the shoe. I kept it at retail for $200, and it's okay. It's alright. It's $30 more than a pair of Jordan 1s, so it's okay. It's alright. And I really, really wanted like an earth tone kind of like everyday, obviously not everyday shoe wear, but just something that'll go with pretty much everything that I wear. I like to stick to neutral colors, kind of like light pink, light blue, tan, beige, brown, black, white. That's really all I wear. So this will go with legitimately everything in my closet. So I'm really excited for that. I was going to get the Yeezys that dropped last week. Same kind of color vibe, but I didn't hit, and I'm glad I didn't because I would have kept those and I would have regretted now keeping these, but everything worked out, so I'm really, really excited for that. But yeah, I just gotta wait for my size to come in and then I'm gonna be so excited. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, anything you want, just something nice, and subscribe for more videos. Okay, peace out.